Welcome to Trading Lounge and US stocks. So today we're going to be looking at Alphabet, Netflix and NVIDIA. So with Alphabet here on the weekly chart here, just showing the larger trend that can play out through here, and we're looking at wave 3 over here, wave 4 here, and wave 5 to the upside here. So we've got a nice A wave here, 3 wave move for the B wave, and down for the C wave for wave 4 here. And some stocks have taken the top out here, and that's why we're going to have a look at Netflix and NVIDIA as a couple of those that have done that. Otherwise, the Nasdaq has pulled up quite high, the S&P has pulled up nearly as high, but with those markets we're looking at wave 1 and 2 here, same as the Nasdaq and the S&P. So let's just go in and have a look at this here. So on the daily chart here, it's possible for this to pull back to the 61.8% retracement level here. So we'll just put that in here. That's way down yonder here. But I'm thinking that we won't pull back this far. I'm thinking that we'll just, if I can just clean these up here a little bit. I'm thinking that wave A and wave C will have some sort of equality into it. So from, let's just say, to this point, to this point, to this point here, something of this nature, and then move up from that point there. If we have a look at this jump from the daily chart here to the tick chart here, I probably won't worry with a lot of stocks in the 1 hour and 4 hour range. I'm just pretty much, because I'm a bit short for time and do want to cover stocks, I'll just go from the weekly daily chart straight to the tick chart, maybe a 4 hour chart if necessary, but most of the time we'll just jump straight to the detail, and this is the detail here on 100 ticks. So we do have this first move down through here, so we can look at that as wave A here and wave B here. And then we're looking for some sort of equality between wave A and wave C here. So in fact, this wave C here may only come down to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree and then move up from that point. Now, if I'm wrong with this count, that means that we'll find support on the 1400 here, and we'll look for a classic trading levels pattern and we'll go long from that point. I'm not interested in trading against the main trend here for this, so we'll pick up the thread once we've got this move down through here. I don't have a very clear 5 waves from wave 4 to wave 5 here, so it looks like a B wave here in fact. So it's possible that this wave 4 here can sit over here for this. There is a little 1 and 2 in here, but it's quite small. But for the time being, I'll look at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. It doesn't really matter because we're not going to have a trade just yet for this. If it pulls down in 5 waves here, by all means, we'll look at moving in on that in that space. Now I want to move on to Netflix, and with Netflix here, one of the interesting things here, of course, is that it's taken out this particular high over here now. So it's really confirming that we're in a bullish trend here, and we will see this market move higher into this space here. This is a weekly chart here. I'll just check the daily chart. I won't be going to the tick chart today on this, but so we've got pulling back in over here. We've got wave 3 here. I'm looking at this as an A and a B and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the on the cash mark on the thing. This is the high here, and wave 4 here, and then moving up for wave 1 here and 2 here, and then looking at this as 1 and 2 here and 3 and 4 here. It has pulled back 61.8% instead of 38.2, but there's a couple of things that we can look at for that. First of all is the spike, and secondly, we've got a medium level here, 400, which the market is really sitting on quite nicely here. All the same, we still see this push higher through here. And the other stock that I want to have a look at it is let me just get that organized here, is this stock here, NVIDIA. And in this case here, now we had a push above this level here, above the top here, but we've really pushed up high through here now. Wasn't too concerned about the spike here in case we're looking at a wave B here, but we've come down in 3 waves here, so we can look at this in the bigger picture here as a third wave moving to the upside here. So this is also a major trading level here, so I'm just going to put that in through here now. So a major level is always always do it in orange there. And of course the 100 is a major level, and the next level up here from 300 is 500 here, and we've got a medium level at 400 and 200 there, but I won't worry about putting that in just yet here. So moving from the weekly to the daily here, this is how we're looking at it with wave 1 here and wave 2 here, and then looking at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 for 1 and 2 here, and then also building to the upside here. So we should see that move up higher in this particular space here for this wave 3 here. So we're looking at a bullish market here, and like I mentioned, these two last stocks that I've looked at here, they're stocks that have taken out highs. So that's really encouraging for the Nasdaq and for the S&P 500 and many other markets as well, because we've been calling the market higher, as you know. So I'll leave it at that for today, but you can expect that we'll be doing moving into the more US stocks and also Australian stocks as well. So we'll slowly build a database on these particular sectors in these stocks. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.